All right, we're going to be doing this 2016 Jeep Wrangler. First step is we're going to pull this piece right here down. That will get us to whatever we need to. So basically you're just going to pull that down. Usually it'll just stay on here, but that one actually kind of fell off. But underneath here, we're going to take off this T15, T20, and then we have to get this shroud off to be able to get to the plug that goes up in here to plug for the T harness. So I will show you what that looks like here in a second. Okay, your next step is going to be, this is a T20. We've already taken this one out right here. You're gonna go up into here, and there's also another one on the other side over here. You're gonna go up into there with the T20. You're gonna take these screws out so that we can get the bottom of the shroud down. Now, we got one of the unlucky Jeep steering wheels that has this ridge right here. Not all of them have this, so it's hard to get this off. It barely will come off. So right inside of here, there's a plug right there where my finger is. It is this plug right here. So we unplug that, which is right here. We're gonna unplug, or basically plug this in and then plug this in to this black box right here where this plug came out of. And then that will do our T-harness. That's everything that you gotta plug in right there. So there's the black box right here. And plug is right there. And you can get to it through here and behind here without taking this off. You do not wanna take this off because this big lip right here will cause you a lot of problems. Okay, these are the two plugs you're gonna plug in, is this plug and this plug right here. I've already went ahead and programmed this because I'm a dealer with my dealer login, and I have a programmer to program this. So this is programmed and this is all plugged in. Now you just have to go through the procedures of programming it to the vehicle, which I will show you those instructions next. After that, we should be able to start the vehicle. Okay, we've ran the antenna right here, down in through here, down in through here, back out to here, and into the brain. Plugs into this blue port right here. I usually run underneath and then zip tie it to here. What we're going to do is we're going to program these two remotes right here. Now doing that, what we're going to do is stick the key in the ignition. We're going to cycle it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brain's gonna click at you, gonna hit lock, gonna hit lock. And then that's going to beep at you again one more time, let you know that it's all complete. All right, so now lock, unlock, and then remote start. Holding this down for 3 seconds on the key. And it's all done. Here it is installed. We kind of took off the bolster plate and just put it in down here and zip tied it all up. Everything's all nice and neat and easy to get to. 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Remote start using 3 times lock. 1, 2, 3. This is a factory integration piece. (2016) Jeep Wrangler, remote start with keyless entry, so it will do lock and unlock, and then remote start by NUSTART by holding down the key for 3 seconds.